A very good morning, class 7. So how are you all? So where were we? We were continuing with the chapter number 18, that is direct and reported speech. So we were doing this chapter. So take out your book at page number 107. This is chapter number 18, direct and reported speech. Direct and reported speech. It is part 1. Open your books at page number 109. So we have completed up till exercise number 1 and I have explained you the time expressions also. So we were going to start exercise number 2 and I told you to try it yourself. So have you done that? Have you tried it or not? So today we are going to do this exercise number 2. It is at page number 109. Reported statements, simple present. So this is in simple present. So the first one, I live in New York. So they have given you the reported verb. She said that, आपने that तो लगाना ही है बिकॉज इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच जो कंजंक्शन है हमारा that वो हमेशा लगता है, ठीक है. शी सेड दैट आई लिव इन न्यूयॉर्क है तो आई का बन जाएगा आई विल बी चेंज इन टू शी lived in New York. She lived in New York. Second, he works in a bank. She said that she told me. They have given you the reporting verb. She told me that. Now reported speech में he लगा है तो we will say he told me that. He already it is third person, so third person does not change. That he works है तो it will be changed into worked. Simple present changes into simple past. He worked in a bank. In a bank. Third, Ruhi doesn't like going out much. She said that Ruhi doesn't है तो does का does will be changed into did. Clear? Ruhi didn't like going out much. Fourth one, I don't have a computer. She said that I don't have a computer. She said that she didn't have a computer. Fifth, they never arrive on time. She said that they never arrived. Arrived will be changed to arrived. Arrived on time. Clear? So the simple past changes into simple present. Simple present changes into simple past. Now we come to present continuous. Present continuous. So इसका फर्स्ट है I am sleeping. I am sleeping. So it will be changed to she told me. She told me that. First of all, you will write down this much. She told me that I am sleeping will be changed to she was sleeping. Was sleeping. Clear? Second, we were working. She told me. She told me that they. We will be changed to she told me. उसने मुझे बताया कि वो काम कर रहे थे. She told me that they are है ना, तो are का बन जाएगा were. They were working. Simple. She is coming to the party. She told me that she was coming to the party. She told me that she was coming to the party. She was coming to the party. Fourth, he's talking on the telephone. He's apostrophe s जो लगा हुआ है, that means he is. उसका contraction है ये he's. So he's means with apostrophe s, it means he is. So he's talking on the telephone. She told me that he was talking on the telephone. He was talking on the telephone. Fifth one, Lucy is reading a book in front of the fire. She told me that Lucy is है ना, तो Lucy was reading a book. Lucy was reading a book in front of the fire. So like this we change into present continuous. Is, are, was, are changed into was, were. She told me that she was sleeping. She told me that they were working. She was coming to the party. He was talking on the telephone. And Lucy was reading a book in front of the fire. Now we do the third one, that is present perfect. Present perfect. So present perfect changes into past perfect. I have never been to Brazil. So now first one, she said that. She said that I have never been. I have never been. So have will be changed into had. That she had. I will be changed to she. She had never been to Brazil. She had never been to Brazil. Second, she has visited Paris 3 times. She said that she had visited Paris. She had visited Paris 3 times. 3 times. Third one. He has read War and Peace. So this is the name of a book. So she said that he had, has है ना, तो has will be changed to had. She had read War and Peace. So this is a book. I think it's a name of a book. Fourth one, I haven't seen Ali for ages. She said that she haven't seen है ना, तो had not. She hadn't, तो hadn't बन जाएगा. Hadn't seen Ali for ages. Ali for ages. Fifth one, he hasn't been to school this week. She said that he hadn't been to school. He hadn't been to school. This will be changed to that week. Clear to all? Now we come to simple past. So all of you have done this part. Do this now. Now we come to the simple past. That is fourth one. Simple past. First one. I went to cinema yesterday. Now simple past changes into which sentence? Which tense? यहाँ पे आप देखिए पीछे. Simple past changes into, यहाँ पे लिखा है, it changes into past perfect. So simple past. The first one is I went to cinema yesterday. She said that. First of all, we will write this much. Now we will read the sentence statement again. She said that she had gone. Because simple past changes into past perfect. So went है, तो went को हम had लगा के third form लगेगी. Go, went, gone. Had के साथ third form. She had gone. She had gone. She had gone to cinema. Yesterday means previously. Second one, Radha left the party early. She told me that Radha had left leave left होता है third form. So she told me that Radha had left the party. Radha had left the party. Radha had left the party early. Third one, I didn't go out at the weekend. So she said that she had not gone. Didn't go है, तो it will be changed to had not gone. She said that she hadn't gone out at the weekend. She hadn't gone out at the weekend. Fourth, he didn't like chocolate as a child. She said that he had not liked chocolate. She said that he had not liked, like third form, had के साथ third form, he hadn't liked chocolate as a child. Fifth one, they visited Japan. Now we have to write it. She said that they had visited Japan. That's it. Had plus third form. So here we have completed with the fifth one. Now we come to the future simple. Future simple. First one. I'll go to the cinema later. Now future simple, it changes into future simple. किसमें change हो जाता है? I'll see you later. Will changes to would. I'll go to the cinema later. She said that she would go to cinema later. She said that, ये तो as it is ही आएगा. She said that या she told me that. Told is used when there is a listener and said is told when there is no reference of the listener. So she said that she would go to the cinema. She would go to the cinema later. Second, we'll meet the children at 6. She said that they would meet the children at 6. She said that they would meet the children. She said that they would meet the children at 6. Third, she'll be late. She said that she would be late. She said that she would be late. She would be late. Hina will definitely come. She said that Hina would definitely come. She said that Hina would definitely come. Hina would definitely come. I will stop playing on weekdays. She told us that he will. She told us that. She told us that she would stop playing. She would stop playing. She would stop playing on weekdays. Clear? So with this we have completed our full exercise number 2, that was at page number 109 and 10. So with this we have completed this chapter. We have done all this. And now we come to our next chapter, that is direct and reported speech part 2. In this chapter we will discuss about that how the questions, requests and orders are changed to the reported speech. So in this chapter we have done only the simple statements, but now we will discuss about the change of questions, request orders as well as requests and orders, all type of statements now. in the 18th chapter we have done only simple statements. We have changed the simple statements. But now in chapter number 19 we will learn to change so in this we are going to do the questions, requests and orders. Clear? So here we are going to discuss this. Now we also use reported speech when we are saying that what other people asked or wanted to know. Obviously जब हम दूसरे को बताना चाहते हैं, when we want to tell the other person that what that speaker said, so that time also we use the reported speech. Obviously जब हमने किसी को बतानी है किसी और की बात, तभी हम वो reported speech use करते हैं. Direct speech जैसे he asked what time is it, what time is it. Now in the reported speech we will say he asked me what time it was. Means question mark will be changed into simple statement. Question mark जो है, जो question form है वो simple statement में change हो जाती है. रिक्वेस्ट्स हैं, ऑर्डर्स हैं, मीन्स कैसे भी हैं, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस हैं और देयर आर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो all these questions, requests and orders are changed into simple statements. Like what time is it will be changed to what time it was. It will be changed to statement with a full stop. In a reported speech, the positive, negative statements undergo changes without much effort. In the reported speech जो हमारे negative और positive statements होते हैं, they undergo changes without much effort. Means आराम से हो जाते हैं. The connector that is placed between reporting. अभी मैंने आपको जो बताया कि जो सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स हैं yes और no मीन्स नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव असर्टिव, उनमें सिर्फ हम एक कनेक्टर यूज़ करते हैं that and it is changed the reported clause. And there is a back shift of tenses जो मैंने आपको समझाया था, that present tense changes into past tense, then present perfect changes into past perfect, like this. So direct speech, the captain said the weather is not favorable for sailing. Reported speech will be said like the captain said that the weather was not favorable. So we just add that in. But the transformation in reported question is not so different from the reported statements. The tense changes are the same and we keep the question word. हम जब questions को change करते हैं reported speech में, तो सिर्फ 2-3 बातों का ही change आएगा. एक तो हम question mark हटा देते हैं और question word रहता है उसमें. The very important thing is that once we tell the question to someone else, it isn't a question anymore. ठीक है. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है कि वंस वी टेल द क्वेश्चन, जब हम किसी को क्वेश्चन बताते हैं तो वो क्वेश्चन नहीं रह जाता, फिर वो एक स्टेटमेंट बन जाती है. सो वी नीड टू चेंज द ग्रामर टू अ नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट एंड ओमिट द क्वेश्चन मार्क. मैंने अभी आपको जो समझाया है, जो रिपोर्टेड हम बताते हैं मीन्स नाउ टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल ओनली दैट ही आस्क्ड व्हाट टाइम इज़ इट. ही आस्क्ड व्हाट टाइम इज़ इट टू मी, है ना. तो अब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि उसने क्या मुझे बोला. ही आस्क्ड व्हाट टाइम इट वॉज. सो इट विल नॉट बी आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन फॉर्म, इट विल बी टोल्ड इन अ स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, दैट व्हेन वी टेल द क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वी tell the question to someone else, it does not remain a question anymore. So we need to change it into a normal sentence. Direct speech, she said, where has the Julie gone? This is a question. She said, where has the Julie gone? Now I have to tell it to somebody else. So how I will say? She said that where Julie had gone. Has will be changed to had, but the question form will be changed to a simple ordinary statement. Reporting verbs said changes to wondered, wanted to know in a reported speech as shown in the example. तो यहाँ पे जब हम questions की बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें या तो asked आ जाता है या wondered आ जाता है या wanted to know आ जाता है. ठीक है, reported verb हमारा. Direct speech, she said where has the Julie gone. She wanted to know. अब हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में वी कैन आस्क शी वॉन्टेड टू नो और शी आस्क्ड वेयर द जूली हैड गॉन. शी वॉन्टेड टू नो भी आ सकता है, शी आस्क्ड वेयर द जूली हैड गॉन. इफ़ देर इज़ अ मैंशन ऑफ अ लिसनर, और अगर हम बता रहे हैं कि कोई आपकी बात सुन रहा है, तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब विल बी सेड टू विल बी चेंज्ड फॉलोड बाय द लिसनर एंड इट विल बी चेंज टू आस्क्ड. सेड टू है, सेड टू मी, सेड टू देम और सेड टू अस, then it will be changed to asked in the reported speech. For example, she said to me, where has Julie gone? She asked me. अगर said है तो wanted to know आ जाएगा. अगर वो किसी को बोल रही है और कोई सुन रहा है तो said to will be changed into asked. She asked where Julie had gone. तो questions में that नहीं लगेगा. वो हमारा simple statements में लगा था जब हमने chapter number 18 किया था, which we have done just we have finished just before. So in that we use the connector that, but in reported questions, requests and orders, there is a bit difference, right? So types of questions, there are two types of questions, were questions and yes no questions, right? दो तरह के होते हैं ना. So now the important thing which I have told you, were questions begin with the words like. So there are two types of questions. Two types of questions. Were questions. They start with when, why, what, who, where, which and how. When, why, what, where, how. Right? And the other one is yes no. Yes no questions. So there are two types. So yes no questions जो होते हैं they begin with the auxiliary. और ये किससे start होते हैं? Yes no questions हमारे start होते हैं auxiliary verb से. For example, is, am, are, were, was, like this. Clear? और do verbs, does, did. Do verbs में आ जाते हैं does, did, do. ये आपके हो गए be forms. ये be forms हैं. ये आपकी do है. ये do verbs हैं. ये be verbs हैं. ये do verbs हैं. Then we have verbs also. उसमें आ जाता है has, have, had. तो ये हमारे have verbs हैं. And the last one is modals. ये हमारे आ जाते हैं can, could, should, will, would. ये सारे हमारे आ जाते हैं modals. So these are modals. So these questions beginning with the auxiliary verbs listed above have the possibility of getting only the two different answers. So if the question starts with these, so the answer will be either yes or no. Is it clear? So they are known as the closed type of questions. So इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Closed type questions. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? Closed type questions. क्योंकि इनका या तो yes में आंसर आएगा या no में आता है. So reporting questions. Now, as there are two different types of questions, the mode of reporting them also differs. Now in reported speech, she said, why hasn't he come? Why hasn't she come? This is the reported speech. She said. She said. Why hasn't she come? Now we have to change it to indirect. So how we will do? She said है तो she wondered भी आ सकता है. वो हैरान हो रही है. वो हैरान है. She wondered. Why? Has will be changed to hadn't. Why hadn't वाई, यहाँ पे जो शी है वो यहाँ पे पहले आ जाता है, वाई he hadn't come. That's it. Simple. No inverted commas, you know that. So he will come here and hadn't, has will be changed to had here. So इसमें जो क्या है, हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो पहले आ जाता है और वर्ब बाद में लगता है. The reporting verb said to, wondered, and there is a subject verb inversion in the hasn't he come changes into hadn't come. He hadn't come. Statement में change कर देना. इसमें हम question form में पूछ रहे हैं. Why has he not come? Why hasn't he not? Why hasn't he come? Hasn't he come? This is a question form. Now we have to change into the ordinary statement. So we have to put our subject before this. So why he hadn't come? It will be turned into a normal statement. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब का इन्वर्जन हो जाता है, सब्जेक्ट पहले आ जाता है, वर्ब बाद में. क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्वेश्चन वर्ड वाई इज यूज टू कनेक्ट. वाई जो है यहाँ पे कनेक्टर बन जाता है, जैसे कि ऑर्डिनरी स्टेटमेंट्स में क्या था, दैट. पंक्चुएशन मार्क पीरियड, फुल स्टॉप रिप्लेसेस द क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द रिपोर्टेड क्वेश्चंस. सो rest we will discuss tomorrow. Omission of do verbs. So till now you revise this part.